Can you feel it, honey? Can you feel it, honey? Now you're way past that. All that bad, 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 bad. So bad, 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 bad. Can you see it, honey? Can you see it? See you past the trouble. Now you know the meaning of it all. La, 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 la.
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm caviarkezzy. I hope you're all doing well. Today I am doing great because I have a beautiful wig to talk about. Today's hair sponsor is Arabella hair. I have worked with them many times on my channel and they make beautiful wigs. 6x5 closure glueless wear and go wig. This is in the body wave texture. This comes ready to wear, you guys. So the hairline is bleached, the wig is pre-plucked. You can plop her on and go.
Didn't think it happened so soon, but that one afternoon you finally moved on. Letting go of all that he said and finally kept for yourself. You really moved on. And I feel it, feel it, feel it, feel it. I feel it, I feel it. Ooh. It's gonna be the ending of all that's bad. From now on, let's just leave it all in the past and look out.
Today is going to be a glueless install, hopefully. Sometimes the wigs just don't want to be glueless. Now it does come ready to wear, but I decided to bleach the knots on this unit. See that lace? We're gonna have to do something about this because that is very, very, very wiggy. Okay, I'm gonna get some foundation, whatever is left of this. I think there's too much lace on this, but this is the wig, you guys. This is it without anything done to it, just some foundation. Okay, and I'm gonna just remove some pieces right there, but can you wear the wig glueless? Yes, you can. Will people see it? Yes, they will be able to. She's glueless. Too much lace. I see what they're trying to do here, but they left too much lace on.
No more bleeding. Can't you see it healing? Hold on to that.
There we go. This wig is a ready to wear wig, right? You think, oh, put it on, you're ready to go. But sometimes you do have to customize just a little bit so it fits perfectly. And I don't mind doing that. I did crimp this hair, so that's what this style is, if you're wondering. Just clean up my part. First, I'm gonna go in with the black. To seal it in, we're just gonna spray some spray. Okay, and the wig is still very much glueless. I'm gonna try to gather all the hair because see, it's kind of frizzy. So you do it in individual sections. So I really want the ends to look defined. I mean, everything looks good.
7 days a week, 7 days a week. You've been ill for too long. 7 days a week, 7 days a week. But now you moved on. And I feel it, feel it, feel it, feel it. I feel it, I feel
it. That looks so pretty. And we're doing the soft baby hairs. We're not even touching anything, like just natural, okay? Natural. This is really cute. I'm feeling the length, so cute. I'm just thinking if I were to put some hairspray on this, it would be like next level beautiful. I might do that at the end of the video just so you guys can see, but it is definitely glueless. so I am gonna secure her quickly so you guys can see what it looks like.
It's a sign, you know he's lying, saying that he wants to be mine, like we could be fine. Yeah, somehow he finds you. That's his trick. Say his name 3 times in a mirror and watch your self-respect just disappear overnight.
I know everyone loves the fact that you can wear these wigs glueless, but they look the best when they're secured with glue or spray. And that is with it secured down really quickly. 2 minutes securing. It looks so good. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Yeah, that's how I prefer to wear it. So I would recommend, if you get these wigs, like, of course you can just slip them on if you're running out the door. But if you're gonna really try to be somebody and you wanna be somebody, secure her down. Look at it. Easy peasy. And let's get into this hair, you guys. It is some of the softest hair I've felt in a really long time. Bravo for them. Arabella hair, they came through to deliver this beautiful wig. Very nice density, super thick. I love it. Definitely recommend you guys checking them out. It's really pretty, you guys. Look how healthy that hair looks. Super flowy, bouncy. I actually don't have any shine product on here. It's just natural. So this is the natural luster of the wig. Look at the quality of that. Beautiful. I love it. And I did crimp the hair with this crimper from Bedhead. This is what it looks like, and that's what I used to crimp the entire wig all throughout like that, and it turned out so well. I haven't used this tool in a long time. I find with this particular tool, the only hair that really likes to crimp is really silky smooth hair. And when I got this wig out of the package, I said, baby, I'm going to crimp you because you are giving silky Anna. The lace is very light, you guys. The lace definitely needs tinting. If you are a chocolate girl like myself, you need some lace tint or foundation on that hairline to make it look the most believable. I would recommend cutting off some of that extra lace. I removed quite a bit. The lace came about to here, so that was just too much for me. I don't like my wigs to have like an inch of lace. That's just gives it away. I just want it to be like lace and then hairline, you know, like we don't need to give all our secrets away in one day. You just meet someone and they're staring at your hairline like this and your eyes are down here. No, we don't want that. Really beautiful, nice, deep parting space. You can see it goes all the way from here to here. So that's that 6x5, baby. It is gorgeous. Love it. Love the style, love the hair. Super soft, super silky, and it can get big and fluffy. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. If you liked this wig, the install, if you like this style, the crimps, let me know that too. I'll do more of it when I get another silky Anna. If you want to pick up this wig, I'm gonna link it in the description as I said before, and if there's a coupon code, it's gonna be there as well, so don't forget to use that on your way out. But before you do that, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and like this video, share it with a friend. You know, we always do giveaways over here, so you can also recruit some people to join the family, because caring is sharing and sharing is caring. Is it sharing is caring? I don't know which one. I am sleep deprived. Okay guys, I gotta go. I'll catch you later in another video real soon. Bye for now. Thanks for watching.